you're gonna be left all by yourself, though.
Alright, which way should I face? Because I have to face myself in the most optimal position to shoot first.
Here, let me get the positioning. Alright, good.
Brad, can you back up anymore? Okay, I guess not. Geronimo! Yes!
Got it.
Go forward, my faithful steed, and please don't kill me this time.
Alright, where are you going?
We are heading to Charlie 2.
They're probably wondering, where the hell is everyone?
Oh god, I went through the map. This is so weird.
Alright, I'm at Delta 2.
Alright, let's head...
You're making it hard for me to pilot because my stupid noob bot doesn't know what to do with itself.
Alright, if you hold still for a few moments, you can put that new bot back in.
Nope, it hits your foot and bounces out.
Oh.
There it goes.
Alright, there we are. Go! Delta 3, there's one on top.
I can't see my map because my noob bot still got stuck on your foot.
Oh. Okay, keep on spamming it, it'll eventually go away. Attack! Towards Echo 4!
Left, right.
To your right. Wait, slow down, slow down. I see something.
Acquired.
Okay, keep going.
Hold on, I gotta twist myself so I can put my noob hat away.
Alright. Stop! Can I not shoot it? Alright, stop again. Wait, nope, keep going, he's hiding. Alright, stop, DireWhale. Back up! It's gonna hurt!
New target acquired.
Alright, we're good, go forward again. Ow, they're shooting. Alright, I'm cooled off again. Let's go!
New target acquired.
Alright, stop. Alright, back up. I'm off the map. Alright, now we're good. Can you get up on the ledge where all the other mechs are? Instead of in the valley?
I think I might lose you.
I have no idea what's going on with my mech. Oh yeah, I did lose you. Sad face. Alright, we can just do it right over here-ish. Crap, I'm gonna be facing an awkward way. Hold on. Can somebody spot me? I'm gonna try and back up on him. Alright, screw it. We're gonna see if this works. Go!
I think you might miss.
Am I on you? Yeah,
Nope,
I'm on
missed.
you. It was close.
New target acquired.
Here, let me walk up forward to this thing, and then you do it.
Like, walk on to you forwards. Well, see, the problem is when I land on you, I have to stay facing that way whenever I land
know.
on you.
Do it again.
Oh, you mean like line up to that and then you'll... Okay.
Did you see it, Iron?
No.
What the hell were you doing?
I mean,
Like
seriously.
shooting dirt.
Oh, swords out.
Alright, turn around and center your legs. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. That works right there. Hold up before you turn off.
Yep, let me know when.
Alright, go ahead. Straight back. Right there.
Aha! Yes! We are alive again! Oh god, I'm going through the map again. Oh, I don't like it. Ah, ah. I keep going through the map. This is
I know,
scary.
I'm trying to get you a good spot.
Remember, I'm stuck facing Bravo 4. I can't shoot them! I can't shoot them! Ow! Ooh, give me a
Ah,
Nova.
neck forward!
Give me a
Target
Nova.
acquired.
They're shooting your horse!
Why? I can't aim far enough over. Get out of here, horsey! Can't shoot them!
Alright, we're vacating the area, hold on. Well, we're allowing our team to get kills by them hysterically laughing their asses off.
Right. Hi, Iron. Bye, Iron.
Why can't you just try turning around?
Hold it.
Alright, there you go.
Try. Yes, it works. You just have to stop first. Alright, stop. Alright, back. Oh, it burns! Wait, stop. Oh, go back. Go up that hill a little bit. Now stop. Back down, it burns! Get me out of here! Nope, I overheated, but I'm still on you. That's perfect!
New target acquired.
Oops, stop.
Critical.
Shoot it!
I don't know where it is. Ooh, someone grab company command and put the horsey in my lance.
New
Ooh,
target
back up.
acquired.
There's no people. It burned.
Fire!
Nice kill, Soul.
Max ammo at 25%.
Ah!
Critical.
Get me out of here. Overheated. Oh dear. Oh no, I fell off. No.
How did you fall off? Oh well.
Good question.
Nacelles detached. Fire at will.
Kilo. He's the one that's hurt us the most.
Critical damage.
Get out here.
Target acquired. 20% critical damage. New target acquired.
I hope you die horribly, not Bob.
I died horribly.
Taken out by a damn cicada with machine gun, just as you deserve.
Well, that was actually Pred that had the machine guns, not the other cicada.
No, they both had the same loadout.
Yeah.
Dang it, Pred! You were supposed to be to protect me from that. What good are you?
Meh. Nay.